Hey there, welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of whiteboard. It's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. So let's tap in this whiteboard over here. This one over here. Let's say I want to change the color, okay? Simply tap into this table over here. And here's the option of color. Simply tap in there and you can choose any of the color you'd like. Let's say this one. What's happening right now is it's only this particular thing has been selected, so that's why select the whole thing. And okay, I'm gonna show you in here. Select the whole thing. Here and go to there and change it like this, or what you can do is simply group it. I'm gonna make it a bit larger so it's easy for you guys to see, and go in this color option and choose the various option. So this is how to change color in whiteboard. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.